Measuring tapes help us measure distances and the dimensions of different objects. But a measuring tape doesn't work in every situation. Why isn't there a single tool that lets us measure everything? Now, there is. Introducing Bagel, the smart tape measure. Bagel lets you measure just about anything, at home and at work. Bagel has 3 different modes: string mode, wheel mode, and remote mode. String mode is great for measuring straight lines, curves, and around corners. Wheel mode lets you measure irregular or odd-shaped objects. And it also makes taking measurements with one hand much easier. Remote mode lets you measure objects that are far away and out of your reach. After you're done measuring, you'll need a way to record your measurements. Using pen and paper can be a real hassle. With Bagel, you can quickly and easily save your measurements with voice descriptions. Just take your measurement, push the Save button, and then tag a voice memo to it.
Door of the Future Radar.
When you're done, Bagel will send your measurements to Bagel's mobile app via Bluetooth. This mobile application lets you review your saved measurements and share them with your friends. Bagel is precise. It uses our patented technology to make sure you always get an accurate measurement. Also, Bagel has an easy-to-read digital display that's viewable in most lighting conditions. Size matters. Bagel.
Did you think you love me too?
When you really think about it, the things we choose to carry with us are incredibly meaningful. Otherwise, why would we carry them around? And that's why we spend so much time perfecting our products at Everyman. When you rely on something, it has to be there when you need it, which is exactly why we put so much effort into the Hideout gear tag. In our search for a luggage tag we actually wanted to use, we kept coming up short. And that's when we started to brainstorm what the perfect luggage tag might be. We knew it had to be minimal, small enough that it didn't compromise design, but big enough that it was functional. And it had to be sturdy enough to be used for more than just luggage. The Hideout gear tag was the answer for us. The 100% stainless steel body makes them sturdier. The lower profile minimal design makes them easier on the eye, and they're significantly smaller than what you're probably used to. We also made sure to reinforce the coated cable keyrings because we knew they'd take a beating. For the people that care about the design of the things they carry, there hasn't been a great solution that doesn't sacrifice design for function when it comes to luggage tags. You shouldn't have to choose between aesthetics and functionality, you should be able to have both. Using our gear tags has given us peace of mind, and now we're excited for you to put them on everything you hold dear.
We decided to design a multi-tool that combines all of our favorite features into an ultra-low profile tool that we call the Titanium Pocket Tool. This new tool is made from aerospace grade 5 titanium alloy. Despite its minimal name and appearance, this new pocket tool is extremely versatile and lets us do more and carry less.